Hello everybody. Good evening. You can't hardly see me. It's really getting... I just wanted to share with you, I don't know, just on my mind. I'm kind of winding down out here tonight at the lake. I just wanted to share some beauty with you. Share some, it's most of the geese and everything have quieted down. You'll hear a few, but there we go. It's so interesting how it's almost like the big noise before the quiet, where the it gets really loud and the geese from around the other areas are coming in and landing, and now it's mostly the insects. Can you hear the insects? And there's a bullfrog of some sort over there that I can hear. How is everyone tonight? Just out here. Sorry it's so dark, but I'm just letting this campfire wind down for the night. Listening to the noises and getting rejuvenated. Spending some time outdoors. I'm excited for the weekend too. There's just projects that I'm going to be working on this weekend. Are you excited about the weekend? And yeah, so I didn't. Just doing a quiet moment. There's definitely stuff going on out here, though, even though you can't really see it tonight. Too. You can see the moon. Oh, there's a car from over the other side of the lake. I'm inspired to come on and say hello and just share some nice nature vibe. Have a blessed evening or morning, depending on where you are, and I hope you have a blessed and abundant, joyful weekend, and you have some activities that fill you up. Okay, be well. Take care. Bye.